Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Rebecca, a project manager at WayKen. Today we'll talk about how we manage your orders so as to deliver high quality parts at WayKen. To begin with, upon receipt of the models and drawings, we'll review the machining process and provide proposals for manufacturability of the design. For example, adjust tolerances to ensure assembly of the two parts or to facilitate machining for cost savings. When production is formally kicked off, every department will have one copy of the item list on which the material, process, finish, and notes that require special attention are all specified. Each step will go according to set procedures and work instructions to make sure material, appearance, features, dimensions, assembly are correct. And we will create a file folder for each project. Drawing data, DFN, requirement changes, and process documentations are kept for traceability. We have an internal production checking system to check the daily production progress so that each department can easily check the current status of the project. Sometimes our customers want to update files or make changes to finishes. Engineering changes are frequently encountered in production. So how do we accurately pass on the changes to each department? When the changes arise, our engineering and quality departments will review them. Upon reaching an agreement with the customer, our project manager will initiate and report the reasons, the contents, the documents involved in the changes, and pass them to each department via both email and corporate work system in order to confirm relevant personnel are aware of the changes. As we all know, defects in production are also inevitable. If defects happen in production, we'll report a manufacturing defect report, and then we'll convene a meeting to discuss the matter and find solutions in time. At the end of the day, this report will be put in our production site so that everyone in the team is aware and learn from it. All the issues will be put down into documentation and will take corrective and preventive actions to prevent the similar problems happening again. When production is completed, we'll carry out inspection and provide the customer with 2D inspection reports so that the customer can visualize the inspection data and approve shipment. For small batch projects, we'll discuss with the customer in advance on the quality standard and provide inspection report according to the plan we agree. For high precision probing, we will use our CMM equipped with a range of probes. Of course, we'll measure more than just dimensions. The measure of color and gloss is also a main challenge for the manufacturers. Our color spectral photometer allows us to calibrate from color, golden samples, or Pantone chips. The final inspection department is a crucial part of ISO certified manufacturing facilities. We'll take photos and share them with the customer at the time of shipment. Also, the photos can serve for traceability purpose. Alright, I hope my presentation gives you a good idea of how WayKen manages your orders. We'll bring the same passion and commitment to your project when you contact us for free quotes.